The Aam Aadmi Party said the legal team of Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has raised strong objections to the affidavit filed by the Enforcement Directorate opposing interim bail for him in the Supreme Court. The party said a complaint has been lodged with the Supreme Court's registry denouncing the ED's affidavit as a blatant disregard of legal procedures, considering that the matter is already slated for a final decision in the top court. The ED has filed an affidavit in the Supreme Court vehemently opposing any special treatment for political figures due to the ongoing general elections. Meanwhile, Saurabh Bhardwaj has slammed the central government and said on one hand they have stayed the conviction of Dilip Ray in a coal scam but have stayed the interim bail of Kejriwal. He has also slammed the ED for battling for BJP. Let's take a listen to what he said.
काम धंधे लोगों के खत्म हो गए तो इसके लिए सरकार को कुछ करना चाहिए था। देखिए, केंद्र सरकार दोहरा रवैया अपना रही है। अभी 2 हफ्ते पहले भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार में मंत्री रहे दिलीप रे, जिनको कोयले घोटाले के अंदर 3 साल की सजा सुनाई गई, यानी कि आरोप सिद्ध होने के बाद सजा सुनाई गई, उनको दिल्ली के हाई कोर्ट ने उनकी सजा को स्टे कर दिया, ये कह के कि इनको चुनाव लड़ना है और ये चुनाव नहीं लड़ पाएंगे तो बहुत बड़ा इरिवर्सिबल डैमेज हो जाएगा। और वो भारतीय जनता पार्टी की तरफ से चुनाव लड़ रहे हैं। और अब केंद्र सरकार इस मामले में कह रही है कि भाई चुनावों के लिए जो है आप बेल भी नहीं दे सकते। जिस अरविंद केजरीवाल के ऊपर अभी तक कुछ साबित नहीं हुआ, कोई उन्हें सजा नहीं हुई, यहाँ तक कि ट्रायल शुरू नहीं हुई, उनको आप इंटरिम बेल रोक रहे हैं। जिसको सजा दे दी उसकी आपने सजा रोक दी। तो ये तो दोहरा रवैया है, तो दोहरा मापदंड है। सीधा सीधा कहा जा सकता है कि ईडी सिर्फ और सिर्फ भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लिए बैटिंग कर रही है।
Okay, so of course we've heard the statements that have been made by our Minister Saurabh Bhardwaj. In fact, to give us more details on this, my colleague Shubh Rana joins us on the broadcast. Shubh, again, Aam Aadmi Party has slammed the ED and the BJP over, of course, the Supreme Court is likely to pass an order on the petition seeking interim bail for Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. And now, of course, statements coming in from Saurabh Bhardwaj. Give our viewers an understanding on what he said.
Yes, definitely, and this is not the first time when Aam Aadmi Party have taken a dig of central agency and the Bharatiya Janata Party. This time targeting ED, CBI and BJP. The Saurabh Bhardwaj has said that ED opposes interim bail to Arvind Kejriwal. Although AAP leader and Delhi Minister Saurabh Bhardwaj have also added that Government of India is adopting double standards. And by saying double standards, he have given a strong example where he have been saying that you are stopping interim bail for Arvind Kejriwal, but he stayed in the conviction of former Union Minister Dilip Ray in a coal scam. And he have also said that it can be said that ED is batting for BJP. This is a big claim which have been again and again used by the Aam Aadmi Party, because this time he has taken the example of Dilip Ray, who has been contesting elections, and he has said that why Bharatiya Janata Party is playing on the double standards, because when Dilip Ray can contest elections, then why Arvind Kejriwal cannot? And in a few minutes now the hearing can begin, and the further course of action of Aam Aadmi Party would be crystal clear. Yes, back to you.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.